It's calamity, the cat's superiority. Heathcliff, no one should terrify their neighborhood, but Heathcliff just won't be undone. You should realize he can win it with you.
Grandma and Grandpa's anniversary is coming up, and I want to buy him a really neat present.
Do you have any ideas yet?
No, but I'm sure we'll find something in the store.
Hey, this ought to wet my whistle. Everybody needs milk, even this little body. Booga booga! Yeah! Ain't no sense of humor. Never had it, never will. Up with cat power. I feel good today. Aha! This is turning out to be a great day. Say, Spike. You have to be patient with your patients.
Where could it be?
What's up, Toots?
I lost my rhinestone collar in the grass.
It's gotta be here somewhere.
Come on, Heathcliff, we've got to go shopping. Say goodbye to Sonja, Heathcliff.
Sometimes the kid really bugs me.
Do you think Grandma will like this can opener?
I hope we have enough money. It's so nice.
I'm starting to like this place.
Excuse me, mister. Could you tell me how much this can opener costs?
You mean this one? Let's see.
At no time during this entire trick will my hands leave my arms.
Come on, Mom, it's a juggling cat.
We're in trouble. Heathcliff, you better behave yourself.
Hey, you! Come here!
I thought that show was a real scream. I can get a collar for Sonja here.
These are really cute, Marcy. Grandma loves birds. Heathcliff, cut that out!
Well, the kid's got no sense of humor.
What's a Polly?
Polly want a cracker?
Bug off, cat! Hey, cat, get lost!
What a party pooper. Hey, a rhinestone cat collar. Now, if I could just get Iggy to buy it for me. Oh, Sonja will think I'm the cat's meow.
Oh, what a pretty collar! Oh, it's you, sweetie, it's you! Oh, Clerk, this gentleman wants the rhinestone collar!
I believe it's time for a little kitten around.
Hey, he's letting all the kittens out!
We have liftoff! Aha!
Hey, cat, get away from those fish!
Nice form, good landing.
Come back here, you flea bag!
Heathcliff, cut it out!
I forgot. The collar.
I bet your grandma'd love this.
Boy, I wish I had a credit card.
The cat's back! The rats are back! Ah! Turn me loose! I'll catch him! I'll catch him!
First floor, hats, mats, and cats.
Can you imagine Grandma smelling like this?
There he is! Get him!
Makeup.
Tooey! Where'd he go? Over there! Over there!
Heathcliff! Heathcliff, where are you?
This'll cool off that cat for a while.
Iggy, the store's closing.
But where's Heathcliff?
No, it's closing time.
Thanks, cat. No problem. Next time you'll help. Me. Thanks, bird. Oh no, not another one.
Oh, let's try the back of the store. It's the only other place we haven't looked.
Away! Quick! In there! In there!
There he is!
Well, see ya, cat. I'm heading south.
Huh? Hey, it's Sonja's collar. What a break. Guess what, Sonja? I found your rhinestone collar.
Oh, Heathcliff, you're wonderful!
Yeah, don't I know
it? If those nerdy cats mess with my steak, this booby trap will get them.
Yo! So, this is where my brother Riff-Raff lives. Wow! I would have thought there'd only be junk food in a junkyard.
Hey, some other cat's trying to swipe the steak we was gonna swipe.
Oh, yummy!
Give me that steak.
Why, certainly!
No! I'm trapped like a mutt in a hut.
How odd! I guess he didn't want the steak after all. Well, goodbye now. And thank you very much. Hello, guys.
Don't hello, guys. Us. That was our steak.
I thought it belonged to the doggy.
Listen, pussycat. Everything in this junkyard belongs to us.
I guess I can't do anything right. I was hoping to find my brother here, but all I've done so far is make enemies. Wait a minute, guys. I was going to ask if there was a cat around here who looked like me.
I'll get you, you meat thief.
Oh, my. There's that pesky dog. I can't seem to stay out of trouble. Yikes.
What a relaxing nap. I'm ready for Cleo and a little romance. Uh-oh, so much for relaxation. Looks like that fat cat needs help, and fast. Going up.
I've almost got you, you steak napper.
Now to check out Leroy's magnetic personality.
Uh-oh.
Wow.
Going down, pal.
That fat cat has friends in high places.
If it wasn't for that stranger, I'd be a goner. I'll never be able to do stuff like that.
Now to see what the story is on this new cat.
My long-lost brother. I knew when I found my brother, I wouldn't be disappointed.
Hey, man, don't blow your cool. What is this brother scam?
I heard my humans talking about a junkyard cat who looks just like me. And they were right. We're identical.
Well, not quite. But you know, Mom told me that I had a twin brother that got taken home by some rich people.
That's me.
Yeah, well, you put on a little weight since I seen you last. You must be one of those inside cats. Don't do much but sit around.
Yeah, that and swipe other people's dinner.
That fat creep may be a fat creep, but he is also my brother Morton, see? Anybody gives him trouble while I'm visiting Cleo is gonna have trouble with me, see?
Hey, Riff-Raff, you want we should give your brother a tour of the junkyard while you go see Cleo?
That's a good idea. I'm glad I thought of it.
Are you sure I'll be all right?
Sure. If anybody bothers you, he'll suffer a catastrophe. Later.
I don't actually blame him for wanting to leave. He's probably tired of rescuing me.
Hey, don't take it so hard, Morton. He's just going to visit his girlfriend. Come on, we'll give you the grand tour.
Yeah, here comes Leroy. Uh-oh.
Come on, Morton. When Riff-Raff's not here, you gotta save yourself.
I hope I can keep up.
Come on, you guys.
I'll be polite to you, Morton. You go first.
Thanks.
Hurry up. Leroy's getting closer.
Now I got ya.
It's all my fault.
Remember, Hector, to do this right, Riff-Raff said we gotta be polite.
Yeah? Well, then I'll ask him politely to help us rescue Mungo. What do you see, man?
From up in this tree, there's nothing to see.
Be careful, Wordsworth.
If you hurt yourself, Riff-Raff will blame us.
I brought you these binoculars.
Hey, this limb don't rate the extra weight.
Well, what do you know? Kitties from heaven.
I'm awfully sorry, Hector. I guess I'm just no good at all.
You got that right, man. Now we gotta rescue Mungo and Wordsworth.
Hot 2, 3, 4. Hot 2, 3, 4. Hot 2, 3, 4. Huh? Looks as if I'm about to have company. My new invention ought to take care of them.
It's Leroy!
Fire 1.
Morton! Would you please? I'm caught. I don't care whose brother he is. I'm gonna make him catatonic.
There's more than one way to catch a cat.
I can't do anything right. All I do is get everyone in trouble.
Awfully quiet around here, and nobody at the car. Why the long face, kid?
Hector, Wordsworth, and Mungo have all been captured by Leroy, and it's all my fault. I don't deserve to be your brother.
Don't take it so hard, man. We all make mistakes. If they're captured, we'll just go rescue them.
You mean together?
Sure. It's always nice to have help. Okay, Morton. When I say jump, you jump. I'll fly into Leroy's compound and rescue the guys.
Here I come.
What's happening, guys?
I didn't think Leroy would ever catch you. Or was it Morton's fault again?
I ain't been captured. I'm just giving the big guy a chance to prove to himself that he's okay.
Riff-Raff's been captured too. I'm a jinx, that's what I am. It's up to me to try to rescue them. If I fail, at least I won't be alone anymore. A ceiling fan! Just what I've been looking for. Good thing the car's battery had some charge in it, or I never would have got off the ground.
It's nice to celebrate with a really elegant meal sometime. Air raid! I've been wanting to try out this exploding kite for a long, long time.
Uh-oh!
Back to the old drawing board.
Way to go, Morton.
Maybe this guy is Riff-Raff's brother.
I knew that cat would be trouble.
Bombs away!
It isn't fair. It just isn't fair.
You're definitely my brother. You see, Morton, you've just been living a sheltered life. When you have confidence in yourself, you can do anything.
You said it, Riff-Raff. Morton is okay. In my book, he's part of the junkyard gang.
Yeah, any fool can see that Morton's cool. Yeah, cool.
Gee, thanks, guys. But junkyard life is kind of wild. I miss the quiet of the old homestead.
You want me to show you the way home?
Nah, I'm not afraid to make it on my own. So long, guys.
The big guy's okay. I guess that being hip runs in the family.
Here's some easy-to-remember do's and one don't. Do make sure oven knobs are too tight for a cat to accidentally turn. And do make sure that all open windows are securely screened. Oops. Cats don't always land on all 4 feet.